the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. In our judgment, it's the best value for money under-desk treadmill obtainable in 2024. Economical, well-constructed, and perfectly suitable for a home gym, we hold the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill in high regard. One of the standout features that'll win over many users is its versatility. It can be used beneath a desk while working or elevated and locked in place for regular use. This dual-purpose functionality certainly enhances the appeal of this compact 70-pound treadmill. Despite its weight, it's surprisingly easy to maneuver. However, if you have children and plan to store it upright, we strongly advise securing it to the wall for safety reasons. The Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill arrives neatly packaged with an additional box of components and tools. Setting it up is a breeze and should take no longer than 5 minutes. It operates quietly, notably more so than many other treadmills on the market. Ideal for light walking, power walking, and gentle running, this treadmill also includes a secure holder for your mobile phone and offers Bluetooth speaker connectivity. But what truly sets this treadmill apart is its user-friendly design. There's no assembly required. Simply unbox and start using it immediately. There's no complex monitor to navigate. Just switch it on and use the provided remote control to begin your workout. It's one of the most straightforward, easy-to-operate treadmills we've reviewed. Moreover, it doesn't have the appearance of a budget treadmill. It feels sturdier than you'd expect at this price point. Although it won't replicate a gym experience, it certainly won't feel flimsy or cheap like many treadmills in this category. One common downside of most under-desk or 2-in-1 treadmills is the short running belt. The Goplus's belt measures 40 inches, which is quite compact. While this keeps the treadmill size manageable, it limits comfortable running to users up to 5'6". Users up to 6 feet can use it for gentle running, requiring a shorter stride, but for more intense workouts, a longer belt would be necessary. The treadmill's maximum weight capacity is stated as 275 pounds, but we recommend keeping it under 220. Users above 250 pounds should ideally opt for a treadmill with a motor of at least 3 horsepower.